Over the past decade, Philips has become the most prestigious company for its innovations in all sectors. Despite being a tech giant, they manufacture kitchen gadgets to turn conventional kitchens into smart ones. And they have been noted for their reliability, durability, and performance. With product quality and customer service, Philips became a trustworthy brand to consumers. Despite being manufactured with top-quality materials, most Philips products are moderately priced compared to their equivalents. So today we're going to test kitchen gadgets from Philips so that we can share our experience with you. Let's check them out. Well, we're now at the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to tell us in the comments section which Philips product you already have in your kitchen or which one you're planning to buy next. And please do subscribe for more videos like this on your feed. Till then, stay tuned.